To celebrate America's birthday, July 4th, let's make our dolls a firework. Start with a cork and wrap some ribbon around it. If it's not the right size, you can always cut it down, and if you don't have ribbon, be sure to use paper. Then glue it. The next step, once you have it glued on, is we're going to make the ends. I used paper. This is silver paper. You can use blue or red, whatever you want really, and then you're going to glue it onto the bottom. Cut around it to create a nice bottom of your firework. Then once you're done with that, you're going to use the same silver paper you used, and we're going to trace a circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, just big enough so you can always trim it down if it's too large for your firework. Once you've got that done, cut a slit into the center of the circle and wrap it around in order to make a cone shape. This will be perfect for the other end of your firework. Then glue it. The cone shape I made did end up being a little too large for my firework, so I just trimmed it down and it was perfect. Once you think you've got the right shape, glue it down onto your firework. To add more detail, glue down a mini straw onto the bottom and cut off the excess. Lastly, glue some sparkly ribbon onto the ends to create a firework for your dolls. Make sure to subscribe and get crafting. Happy July 4th, everybody!